Welcome first grade parents and first graders. I should say first graders and first grade parents because this is really for the child, not necessarily for the parent, but the parent will enjoy this game. So the name of the game I'm going to teach you, you can look it up. It's called Pig in some countries. I personally like another title they have for the game. They call it Greedy Pig. And it's called Greedy Pig because if you keep going, if you get greedy, you actually are punished in the game. And how the game works is we're going to play it. Some people play it with 10 rounds. We're going to play it with 6 rounds. And so I'm presently playing with Kai Benton. Kai is one of our 5th grade students here at St. Andrews, and he's made himself available to help create this for you guys. So Kai is going to play against me. And we're going to create 6 total charts for our rounds. And I'm going to have an extra one at the bottom, and that's for our total. So what the total is. So Kai's going to roll a dice.
I got a 5.
He rolled a 5. Now you have 2 choices. Either you can use tally marks, so I could say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, or I could just write the number 5. Depends on where you're at. So Kai wrote the number 5. So would Kai like to roll again?
Yes, I'll roll again. Oh, darn, I got a 1.
Kai rolled a 1. So the fact that he rolled a 1, it's not 5 plus 1. 1 actually wipes out that round. So for that round, he got a 0. So I'm going to roll. I rolled a 6. Oh, I rolled a 1. So because I kept rolling and I rolled a 1, 1 is a wiped out score, I got a 0 for my first round. So now it's Kai's turn. He rolled a 2.
I'll keep going.
He rolled a 3. He rolled a 5.
I will stop now.
He's stopping. So because he didn't roll a 1, all these count as rounds. So 2 plus 3 plus 5, he has a total of 10. So then I roll. I rolled a 1 first round, so I got a 0. So now it's Kai's turn. He rolled a 5. Ooh. He rolled a 6.
I'll stop.
He's stopping again. There's no 1 there, so this whole round counts. So we got 11 in this round. So I rolled a 2. I rolled a 6. I'm going to stop there. So right now I have a total of 8. Kai's going to roll. He rolled a 2. He rolled a 6. He rolled a... Okay. In this one, he rolled another 6. So 6 plus 6 plus 2 is 14. So we rolled a 5. Rolled a 5. And rolled a 3. I'm going to stop there. That's it. No, let's roll again. 5. So that's a total of 18. Kai's laughing because we're doing a voiceover here. With that being said, we're going to go ahead and stop here. Let's look at our totals. So we have 10, 11, 14, so that's a total of 35. We have 8 and 18, that's a total of 26. So for this game, Kai would have won 35-26. Now obviously we didn't finish rounds 5 and 6, so you would finish the whole game with 6 rounds. So hopefully this makes sense and you can enjoy this game together with your children. Thank you.